Hi everyone, today we're going to do a demo for you on how to use Pro Smart Meter. Okay, on my left hand side, this is our meter. You can see this is a 560 ampere, so it's suitable for 3 to 4 rooms, or you can use it for individual rooms with 1 to 2 aircon installed. Okay, if we see this on the right hand side here on my phone, this is the app that we use. Okay, you can see this is the name and this is the device ID, the link unit, and this on this side, this is the mode. So there's a prepaid mode and a postpaid mode. So for prepaid mode, the tenant will need to pay first and use later. For postpaid mode, they will use first and then pay later. Okay, over here is the balance. So currently there's a 50 ringgit. So let's say if we go into here, there's a top up option and also the adjustment option. Top up means that when the tenant pay us, then we'll top up the amount. So let's say there's a 50 ringgit, then we top up like 20 or 30. It depends on how much they top up to you. Okay, adjustment itself is to reduce the amount. So let's say today tenant move out, then you want to clear the amounts, and it will just do the adjustment. Okay, for this, let's say we adjusted the 50 ringgit. Okay, then the balance becomes 0. Okay, rate on the other hand, rate is the current rate that we charge. So standard we will use 0.5 per kilowatt, but you can also set it to 0.6 or 0.7 depending on your area. Okay, and then this is a zero balance action over here. Zero balance action means that when the meter balance goes to 0, what the action that the app will take. The first one is not taking any action. The second one is a notify owner. It will send an email to the owner that the meter has already gone 0. Turn off means that you will turn off the meter when there's no balance. Notify owner and turn off means that you send an email to the owner and then turn off the meter. Okay, so you can choose between these 4 actions. Okay, the next one is okay, now I want to demo to you how we on and off the meter in 3 seconds. So currently you see the switch is on, but when the power is on the off mode, the light will not turn on. So let's say if we change this to the on mode, okay, then the light will switch back on and then the power will become turned on. Okay, so we just refresh for a while, and then let's say if we turn this off again, okay, then the light will turn off. You see the switch is still on. So this is how we remotely control the on and off of the electricity. So this is the network here is also important. When it's online, means that the meter is connected to the Wi-Fi, and when it's offline, means that the meter is not connected to the Wi-Fi. Okay, last but not the least, we can also check the usage per month. So let's say you want to go back to the March readings, you can just go here, you press 1st of March, and then the end date we choose 31st of March. Okay, so that we can look back into the month of last month usage. However, because this is a demo site, we don't have details over here. You can check this picture on this left hand side, so you can see the graph is represent the usage of last month. Okay, and also one thing that I want to show you today, there's a special about our app. So this on this side is actually the Tenants app. So the tenant interface will look like this. So currently the power station is off, you see the switch is on but the light is not on. And the one special about the tenants is because they can do top up by themselves. So when they press this top up button, they can choose between 50 ringgit, 100 ringgit and 20 ringgit. So let's say if they choose 100 ringgit, they press top up. Okay, the app itself will lead them to the bank interface, the payment gateway. Okay, so you can see here there's a lot of options, the FPX and online banking options for them to choose if which one they want to top up with. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you very much.